Hello friends, welcome back to the iSunshare channel. Today, you can learn how to upgrade M.2 SSD without reinstalling Windows. Step 1. Install the M.2 SSD. If you are using a desktop computer, unscrew the case. Then find the M.2 SSD slot. Install the M.2 SSD into the motherboard of your computer. Step 2. Initialize the new M.2 SSD. Open Disk Management. Then right-click on the unallocated space of the M.2 SSD, select New Simple Volume, and follow the on-screen instructions to create the volume. OK, the new volume is created. Step 3. Download and install iSunshare CloneGo. iSunshare CloneGo is the reliable SSD cloning software, which can help copy entire disk to HDD or SSD in simple clicks. Besides, it can make the target SSD bootable without reinstalling Windows operating system. You can download and install it on your computer. Now launch the software. Hit on Disk Clone on the left menu. Now go to choose Current Disk as the source disk. And select the new M.2 SSD as the target disk. Go to hit on the Start button. Hit Yes. Wait for the cloning process to end. Well done, you can see the disk clone completed successfully prompt. And the M.2 SSD is the same as your previous disk. After that, you can restart the computer and set it boot from the M.2 SSD. That's all for the video. I will see you in the next tutorial.